So I haven't told you guys, but I'm buying a wardrobe.
Spur of the moment buy.
Yeah, I didn't need one. I do need one, but I just keep buying more furniture instead of the wardrobe. Oh my god!
No, that's not gonna happen.
Oh my god, is that a joke? Is that an actual joke? How are you supposed to lift that?
It's both of them.
Is that anything in my entire life? Oh my god, bless you, thank you so much. Thank you.
Pull the key out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit.
It has a mint sneaker and Anna's having a coffee cocktail.
But me and Brian just want it obviously because it has coffee in. Coffee really affects me, it makes me feel really sick. So this is Anna's, this is mine, and this is Byron's mocktail. No, it's not. So you can get a mocktail. So guys, the toilets in this place have mugshots of my boyfriend, Lindsay Lohan. Oh, sorry. Hey. And then you've got Paris Hilton, and then who's the one on the end? Dolly Parton, I think. I'm pretty sure.
Dolly Parton.
Yes, it is. That is Dolly. It is. Yeah, I knew it.
So guys, we're at the bar.
So guys, we're at the bar.
So guys.
So guys, we're at the bar. So we're gonna ignore what I look like, but I went to say good morning. I went to be like, good morning vlog, but it's actually, well, I don't know, it's still the afternoon, I guess. So I'm gonna say good morning anyway. It's 3:15 and we are off to something so exciting. I literally cannot contain my excitement. I'm so excited. Ew, I hate the fact that my nails are painted. I never paint my nails, so seeing my nails painted is really weird. Sister, thank you, babe girl. So we are going to the Fantastic Beasts premiere. It is The Crimes of Grindelwald, right? Yeah.
So excited to watch the movie.
I literally cannot wait. When the first film came out, it was like my favourite thing ever because I'm so obsessed with Harry Potter, and the fact that they did like a sequel film was so exciting to me because Harry Potter is just my one true love, let's be real. Just cannot wait. The fact that the actors are going to be there as well kind of makes me want to
Eddie Redmayne,
die. I can't believe
Law,
just Johnny Depp and Ezra Miller, like they are my two favourite people. Like I literally cannot believe I'm going to be in the same room as them. Eddie Redmayne as well, I love him to death. And apparently J.K. Rowling is going to be there as well, which I could cry my eyes up because
do you know how mad it is to walk the same carpet as J.K. Rowling?
I know, she's like my childhood. Like the Harry Potter films were my childhood.
Yeah, me too.
As well as like Lord of the Rings and stuff, but I highly doubt I'm ever going to go to a premiere for that. So who knows? And I feel like we're under a lot of pressure because we have to walk the red carpet and I just don't. Oh, that is so scary. I've never done anything like this before. I haven't even been to. Yeah, oh, have you not? You've walked the carpet before?
No, I haven't walked it. I've been to one. And
oh my god, we get to do this together.
Yeah,
I thought you'd always walk down it. That's really strange to me.
I've walked down it. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited, oh my goodness. So we get to do that, and obviously we just get to see the film in general, which even if it was just that, I'm so excited. Oh, you look so good, babe. What the f, why?
Oh, thanks.
I'm gassed. You're like, I know I do.
Oh my god, I actually like what I look like for once.
You're making me laugh so much that my under eyes are wait, they're not creasing. That's the first time.
It's a powder, I told you.
What powder is it? Too Faced powder. Get it, kids. I'm promoting it in today's video because I've been laughing so much and my foundation hasn't creased, which is so good because it normally does. Because Anastasia just makes me laugh so much. I also just want to mention that I picked up a parcel this morning and I'm going to insert on the screen. It's a MacBook case and an iPhone case, and they're matching and they're so cute. They're from Burger. If you guys want to know any information about them, I will leave their links in the description. I don't have to, they just very kindly sent me them, but I thought I'd give them a bit of promotion because why the hell not? They're freaking cute. So yeah, check them out if you would like. And yeah, I'm gonna continue getting ready now because I'm obviously not gonna go onto the carpet like this, am I? Look at my face. I'm not gonna go like
silly
this.
Bugger.
With this. Fine, silly buggers we are. So yeah, I'm gonna continue getting ready and I will see you in a sec. I'm freaking excited. I might shit myself. Does he clean up? No, he never cleans up. Does he brush up? He never brushes up. He does nothing. The boy does nothing. I keep getting bursts of excitement.
Yeah, me too.
Oh my god! Just the fact that I'm going to be in the same room as Johnny Depp and Ezra Miller and Eddie Redmayne.
Oh.
So we're ready to go now. Everyone looks so cute. So we've got the ring light out as well, which I didn't know it was here, so I would have taken advantage of it, but
Fuck, I
that's
love
still
that.
groovy. Anyway, we're gonna go to the premiere now. I'm so excited. Maybe we'll get some food afterwards. We are a bit rushed for time. 8 AM. I am so excited, and I will see you at the red carpet. Oh my god.
You look fantastic.
Rich, you think I look beastly? Please say you got her. Oh, isn't she nice? Anyway, we are now in, what's it called, this place?
We're in Wagamama's.
I fucking wish. I love Wagamama's.
Do you?
Yeah, it's like my favourite place ever. Are you okay? Are you okay over there?
Are you sure?
Yeah. I forgot to basically say that, yeah, we're just ordering food now.
on your face.
I feel like you haven't seen Byron in this vlog yet, but he's over there. Groovy girly.
Oh, hello.
Groovy girlies. Ooh. Whoa, look at him on stage. Whoa. Good morning, guys. Well, it's not even morning. What time is it?
Time you gotta watch.
I think it's 2 o'clock. So it isn't even morning, but we've just basically spent the whole morning getting ready. Last night was a bit of a late one for me and Jazz, really, because we just could not stop talking to each other. So we haven't seen each other in so long. I haven't even introduced you to the vlog yet, but Jazz is here. She's staying till Sunday.
Yes.
Till Sunday. So today, basically what we are doing is we're going to Saffron's launch with Beauty Bay. We are so excited. I'm personally just excited to swatch them. I haven't seen them yet. Jazz has actually got one. We just swatched one. Colours
Summer
are
as today.
beautiful. Look at it. Oh my gosh. So I'm really excited to swatch them, just see them for myself. I've gone very neon today, not gonna lie. Like, it is a very neon outfit. It's a bit out there. Wouldn't normally. Just feeling a bit different. I hate us.
Same.
Don't really know the details on my makeup today because I kind of just did whatever I fancied. So yeah, I will see you. I'll see you there. Look at you.
The shoes, like outfit crisis is not my favourite outfit. So.
I like it though.
We went with pyjamas in the end.
Shut your face.
But this actually is what I wear to travelling. Then we decided the belt and the boots.
Wow, live a guru.
I don't like this bag with this outfit, but
Why?
Paul, is it from Pie Money? £9.
Swipe up.
Swipe up to buy.
Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Look at this little chandelier.
Wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flipped my words, yeah, this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit.
I just made my own drink. Looks nice.
Alright, wait, taste it.
Taste test. I think it looks really pretty. Ready? Taste test. Have another one. Oh, she's so panged. Look at her. Yeah, randomly decided that we're gonna go out. Seth's gonna come with us as well. Byron will drive. She does. Look how pink she looks.
Byron's coming out. I made it.
Byron's coming out.
We love that for Byron. Eventually. Thank you.
You've got lipstick on my forehead. Get high, get drunk, get wavy, get wavy.
You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more.
Who's been a little bit tipsy after their cocktails?
Oh, I definitely.
Do you? Wow, we love a vlogger. I am really sorry about this lighting, but we are now in a place called 100 Wardour Street. Me and Byron used to walk past this place all the time whenever we went to the Days magazine shop, and we always thought to ourselves we really want to go in there, and now we're here, which is so weird. I have apparently, I can't even remember what I ordered, apparently I ordered cured salmon, wild mushroom risotto, everyone knows I love risotto, and an autumn fruit mess. We love that for me. We have olives, and I'm gonna die. I love olives so much, like my favourite thing ever. I reckon it was you. I'm gonna blame you anyway. Vote in the poll who you think it was. Me or Haz? It was obviously you. It was obviously. So, Evie actually spilled a whole risotto down my leg. Okay, can we watch how much is over exaggerated? Oh, a whole risotto, her whole food over. And then Haz literally had her camera in her hand and she just threw it in her food. And it went all over her camera. I can't even deal with you. Anyway, she actually did do it, really.
So Byron's got pina colada, and look at the face. Show me, bitch. Hey, that is exciting.
Next week.
Thank you. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1.
Don't play around, don't have much ground, and get out of my mind. Wow.
No diggity, I'm about to bag it up.
I'm not going to
Ew, I hate that.
I'm in Vlogmas Day 1B!
Vlogmas Day! I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I'm literally sweating so much, it's a joke. I kind of wish I didn't wear this top. I'm sweating!
Pizza, bogeys. We love that puppy.